Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dual cable fitting on a yard machine MTD 22-inch snowblower. And the little piece right here that attaches to the handle and supports this cable and the cable for the drive was broken. I was able to pick up one online for $11. And there's the part number on that. It's a 7310421-6A fitting dual cable. I have the cable ready to replace now. You can see that I have put each cable down inside the little groove that they go in, and so they are now ready. Actually, I don't have them in the groove. I now have both the auger cable and the drive cable seated in the little grooves that they belong in. You can see they fit around the housing quite nicely. And then you just take that and slip it over the bolt like this. And so it's seated like that. One goes up to the auger and the other one goes up to the drive. Now you just put the little nut back on the bolt, tighten it down, and make your adjustments. Tightening this bracket down requires the use of a Phillips screwdriver on one side and a 7/16 inch wrench on the other side. Don't tighten it down too tight or you may crack the plastic holder. Now that I have the cable fastened in place, and you can see the two running up to their appropriate handles. Now I'm going to come down here and adjust the cable tension, and I'm going to do that by just barely taking the slack out of it here. As you can see, the cable just kind of tighten up a little bit, not real tight. I'm just going to hold it in place with a screwdriver so I can reach in there easily. And then I'm going to use the 3/8 inch wrench to tighten those two bolts down and then test it. Thank you very much for taking a look at my video today on how to replace the auger belt on a MTD snowblower. And as my granddaughter has been known to say, I can't do it. It's too hard. Unless you actually try. And then it's pretty easy if you follow these simple instructions. Thank you very much for watching.